Okay guys, so the Jack is in the spirit trails. Once again, Kyle, thanks for the challenge, and hopefully nobody what's that, Brendan? Hopefully nobody breaks this arm off, but we've got it screwed in there pretty good. Everything's fastened in pretty good. Got these with big timber bolts in here. Tree screwed in pretty good. If somebody wants to come and break it, somebody's gonna break it. This is pretty solid. It's just gonna. This is Maggie, my stepmom, my stepdad, Scott and Brendan. Thanks for helping me, boys.
No worries, brother.
And yeah, that's it. So it's in place.
Awesome. Looks great, Jordan.
Hopefully, thanks, bro.
You know what? It looks smaller in the tree than it actually sizes.
It's that's 10 foot tall with that branch on there. They put a knife.
It just fits perfect.
It is. Best spot for it.
Yeah, because I originally had to have it over there, but then Brendan said no, you can't have the arm sticking out for a liability.
Right.
And if you look here, somebody put some little windows on this.
On that tree there.
Oh, I see.
See? It's just all part of the spirit trails people are doing.
Very cool.
So here it is. Walk by. Holy fuck, what is that thing? I wouldn't want to walk in here at night time.
That is so freaking awesome.
That's one of the coolest things. I hope nobody complains about it.
Oh,
Thanks, guys.
The thing is,
We got it tied around the tree too. I put a couple eyelets in there in the back and just used some twine. Here's a show Sugi shitter pants moon. Somebody's gonna steal this too probably, but that's okay. I kind of made it as a gift. People can hang Christmas ornaments off the branches here, right?
yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Jordan. Nice one, bud.
Thanks, bud. Thanks for the help, bud. Okay, boys. Let's rock it. Get the hell out of
Back it
this
up,
place
pal.
before we get. Thanks, Ninja Spirits. Ninja Spirits strike again.
First time in the daytime.
Me and Brendan there cut all these trees so people could walk through the pass last year because it was a huge couple years ago, huge windstorm. But this is the very second ones I did for the trails. Those shall pass. Spirit trails. I like these guys. See how cool they look when they're weathered, guys? You know? Put your wood spirits outside, let them weather. That's when they really come to life. Okay, so Brennan, the stunt guy. Hey, stunt man.
Yeah. Hey, bud.
Stunt man 101. We're just gonna go look. Oh shit.
Nice.
Gonna go look at this is one of the first ones I did too. You guys can see how my wood spirits progress, right? Somebody took an axe to the nose there. But just want to. I always like to come down and I got the bench down here with the wizard on it, and I call it Tank Stop. So I always like to come down, and Tank's one of my old friends. He passed away a couple years ago, I guess.
Haven't been back here since we put this in, bud.
Hey Brennan, could you just hold the bottom here so your fingers don't get in the camera? I'm gonna walk up here. So this is the size of the wizard that I did in the bench. How you doing there, old buddy? How you doing, old buddy? He was just coated with oil, guys. So you just let it weather, right? I don't know what kind of oil I used. That's the silly owl. This guy's a silly owl too. But look what happened when you use those plastic eyes, guys. They you know, they fade, and just the plastic eyes are no good, right? And then up there, can I see the camera now, please, bro? There is zoom on the guys. I'm using the GoPro that all my subs bought me. There you see it says Tank's Place. Birdhouse up there, Eagle. And let's just look at this guy here. Somebody walking here? And here's all day Ray. This, I don't know if you guys saw, but I made this for one of my bosses at work. I was friends with his daughter. Well, I'm friends with his daughter. And he likes walking down here, so I put this in here for him. His name at work is All Day Ray because he doesn't let anybody go home early. So it was just a surprise. Look at his silly glasses. Ray wear glasses. Hey, and there might be one more here. Don't mind, do you, brother? See, there's old birdhouses up in the trees from way back when. When I met the... Huh?
It's older than me.
Yeah, when I met the city guy here, he was like, we don't want any birdhouses on the trees, anything's on the trees. I said, well, there's birdhouses on. He goes, yeah, from 40 years ago. This is a wildlife thing. Look, there's a bat house there. I don't know how to zoom in on this GoPro, man. That's okay. You go like this.
Try it.
Pinch it. No. There's just one more here and then that's it. Thought it was right in here, but maybe it's here. It is. Yeah, this guy's cool. So I made it. It's like remember, guys, these are like my first carvings too, really, with chainsaws. Let's see how cool it looks when it's weathered. Hey, brother.
Thanks.
So I made it like the wood, the face coming out of the wood, kind of. It's all cracked and shit. Anyways, let's get the hell out of here. Actually, I thought there was one more. I think we missed it. You know the one with the eagle head? I probably don't.
What's that?
But see, guys, like this is this is it's because the ocean's just right out here, so this is all salt water. Eh?
Marsh, yeah.
Yeah, marsh. It's all marshland. I want to put something big over there. That'd be wicked, like we had planned, an eagle or whatever. Yeah, that big guy.
This big.
There's owls in here, bald eagle nests, ducks, you name it. Oh, here's one here. Dr. Death came out of the ground. This is Dr. Death. Oh no, it's like Dr. Death anyways. See, I cut his nose out. You have to come back down here one day. There's a couple of them out that have been pulled out, fell out. This guy, funny looking guy with the eagle on his head. You guys, if you have a park or something like this, place like this, put some carvings in there. Why not? Give back. That's what it's about. This isn't about me. This is about me. This is about giving back to my town. It's definitely not about me, and I don't want to be I don't like to be recognized for it. So anyways, that's this guy. And let's go see if Harry the Hare is still around. Just a couple more things I want to look at by the bench here. Here's the bench. Oh, Brennan, let me take pictures of this with my... Here's Dr. Death. This is Dr. Death. Look at this guy. Oh, yeah. Come on, let's clean you up a bit, Dr. Death. And last but not least, there's Pete's Harry the Heron. Still holding out pretty good there, Pete. Thanks for putting this in here.
Thanks.
Yep.
Rebarred in.
Yeah, rebarred in. Oh yeah, you helped me put this guy in, Brennan. Okay.
Environmental rebar.
Yeah, let's get out of here. Let's go beachcomb. You coming beachcomb, Brennan?
Sir.
Right on. We're gonna go. It's raining in a bit, but who cares, right? Let's go beachcombing. Maybe we'll go pick up some chicks down on the beach, eh, Brennan? Old ones, young ones? What? I don't know. What do you think? No comment. I should shut up too. Brendan, where's the chicks? I thought you said there's gonna be hot chicks down here.
Just up here, brother. Just up here.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's raining out. It's windy. See, like, Brendan, when I make that project, I'm gonna use like a big root, big legs like this, right? I got a plan, guys. Kyle Hall, I got another plan for the springtime. I'll use big legs like this with this root bottoms. Well, I got the chainsaw. You can do some carving. Brendan doesn't like to talk on off camera. He doesn't stop talking. Yeah, that's big root ball. Yeah.
Not that, it's my house.
Boy, somebody building a house.
Where the chicks are.
Where are they? Hello?
Here.
Okay, here, you want to film? Look at this.
Is it on? We are rolling.
Hope you're all good. See you later. Next time, have the chicks down here, Brennan.
This is all that's left.